Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I ordered stuff from amazon.co.uk here that I want to show you. This stuff is vacuum cleaner tools that I ordered, so I want us to unbox this stuff, check it out, see what is inside. Got a lot of vacuum cleaners, but the tools, some of them are kind of old and some of them are knackered, so I just ordered fresh one just to replace them. So I'm going to put up a link how you can get this, but let's unbox this stuff so that we can do some work with it. What we have here, this is the hose. This is the hose, fresh one. This hose is universal for every Numatic vacuum cleaner. The brush here. See the brush. This is clevis tool. Another soft brush. Another one. And this is the man head brush. This is another extension hose. So guys, this is something that I ordered, and this hose goes in here. Yeah. The hose goes in here, so it's universal. Yeah, it's in. Nice. See the pole. This end goes in here. Okay, and the brush goes in. Beautiful.